Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not working on Xbox. First, a simple restart often resolves many glitches. Power down your Xbox completely, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent games from loading. Finally, always ensure your Roblox application is updated to its newest version for optimal performance and bug fixes. These initial steps are moving on. Let's check your network and account. Ensure your Xbox Live privacy settings permit online multiplayer and user-generated content. Sometimes, clearing your Xbox's persistent storage and alternate MAC address can resolve connectivity issues. You can find these options in your network settings. Also, run an Xbox network test to check your connection speed and NAT type. And redeeming your spendable rewards is incredibly simple and convenient. When you're ready to make a purchase online and choose PayPal as your payment method, your available rewards balance will automatically appear as an option. You can then decide to apply all or just a portion of your rewards to reduce the total cost of your transaction. It's a seamless way to save money instantly. Should these steps not resolve your issue, it's time to contact support. If the problem seems specific to the Roblox application, reach out to Roblox's official support team. For broader console or network issues, Xbox support is your best resource. When contacting them, be sure to provide detailed information about all the troubleshooting steps you have already attempted. This helps them diagnose the problem more efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.